Sanitary napkin vending machine. Our sanitary napkins vending machine is a coin-operated automated machine with inbuilt features which can help efficiently dispatch sanitary napkins for immediate demand. Our machine can hold up to 40 napkins depending on thickness of the product with a spiral motor dispenser. The automated vending machine includes an electronic controller board and 2-line LCD for user interface providing sanitation at price of ₹1. It also includes battery backing for emergency with compact powder coated metal enclosure for safety.